Folks, so what we have here is an Audi A5. It's then again hit all along the side, front pillars in, I'm gonna give it a pull, quarter panels lying in, rear door repair. So let me show you. There's the quarter panel, pillar. Let me turn the camera around and let you have a look. So here's the pillar. This was lying in, I pulled it out. Got the gap with the door and the fender, got the gap sitting nice with the rear door. You can still see there's a little bit of damage here. A little bit of damage here. Just gonna dress that up. It's not too bad. Now, it's the fun part. See the edge of the quarter panels lying in. So what I'll do is I'm gonna put some keys along here and use the bridge system, get that out. This whole panel is lying in. See there, it's all pushed in that way. What I'm gonna do here is take all the paint off. I'm gonna put some wiggle wire along here, along the body line. Then I'm gonna probably use the pogo stick. Gonna lever it off here and pull it out, and then I'm gonna hammer this high ridge down here. When I hammer that ridge down, it'll actually, this should come out nice. Then I'll get the rest with the dent puller. Go from there. Nice one, the whole side of it. Nice job, let's get cracking. So paint is off. What I'm going to do is I spray a black. Shut up. So what I do is spray a black guy coat on here, then I'll buzz over it again with the DA, and then the black guy coat will show me my low spots. And we'll go from there. Same down there. Down there. Alright. Let's go. So now you can see I just got a bit of 2x4 in there, got it in behind the edge, and I just banged it out, so now I kind of have more of a straight edge here. So now what I'm going to do is, like I said, get the wiggle wire along here, pull this out, hammer this high ridge down. So unfortunately I forgot to record the actual pull with the pogo stick, but I will have another video up after this doing the similar job, the same technique. But here it is after I've used the pogo stick. You can see it on the floor there. I pulled it out and you can see I got the body line out nicer. So sorry about that guys, but I'll get you in the next video with the pogo stick. Okay, so what I'm going to use here now is the weld-on keys. There you go, you can see it. I'm going to put a few of them all up the edge of this quarter here, and then we're going to use the bridge system puller just to get that quarter edge out to meet the door, and then we'll go from there.
you can see here, I'm just showing you, look at the gap between the door and the quarter. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to twist this arm here, and you can see it slowly closing up as I'm using the pulling pressure. So what you'll do here is give it a slight over pull, because you will get a bit of a spring back. So pull it a little bit too far, and then when it springs back, it should be nice and even. There you go. So it's sticking out a little bit further than the door, but it's going to spring back, and then I want it to be nice and flush. Now I'm going to release the pressure. You'll see the gap will start opening up again. So sometimes you don't get this on your first pull, but you'll just have to keep looking at your gap. So you might have to pull it again, you might have to pull it 2 or 3 times, just until when you release the pressure that you're happy with the way the gap looks. Then you can remove your keys and then go from there. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to use the normal dent puller just to get my other low areas out here, which you can see highlighted with the black spray guide coat I used earlier. So I have the quarter panel edge out nice with the door. Do this, and then I'll get the low spots on the door, and then it'll be ready for some filler. So you see what I have here is a few little pinholes. So close to getting it finished on this skim. But what I'm going to do is mix up a little bit more. You can see here it's lining in, that body line is not meeting up with the door. I'm going to put a little wipe here, a few little pinholes, and we'll go from there.
There she is, all done, feather edged, ready for the paint job. There's cap going down, body line runs into the door. We had a repair on the pillar up here, had to pull it out slightly, dress it up a bit. That's done as well. But yeah, looking good. Get a few little things here in the door. Just do it with a customer. Yeah, I'll do a video when it's painted and then get it up on YouTube.
Alright folks, so that's it. That's the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comments and I'll get back to you. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe so you don't miss out on more videos like this. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Take it easy. See you in the next video.